Hello guys, let's make a slime for my classmate and me. It's my best
Ay,
friend.
hiling-hiling ako dahil.
Okay, let's put this here.
Hiling-hiling mo dahil.
Only mine.
Kasama ako dahil.
Only mine first. Because she's a gangster friend. And if is the bully is here, she's because the bully is his friend. Yung si Pintang. Ako.
Bigsundo pa si Adam. Ni,
Mm-mm.
saraway lang mo na Adam. Nagkikintuwa lang sa Adam.
Ha?
Nagkikintuwa sa iyo sa Adam.
See? Hindi.
Di wala kayong kalibuan.
Wala. Ang nagre-rebook lang itong kaklase niyang kataid ko.
Ay, tanong may kasabay pa kamong iba.
Kaklase niya. Pero, di ko aram. Basta nagpunta lang sa bahay
Di
niya.
nagbayad kay Kuya yun.
Ha?
Nagbayad man yun kay Kuya yun.
Hindi.
Oo. Ano yun? Sino magbabayad?
Kasi, biglang nagbayad yung mama ni ano.
Ah, yung mama ni Adam ang magbabayad.
Di ko alam kung siya yung nagbayad. Kasi nga, di na nagbayad yung babae. Kakafo. Okay, let's put this here. We need first water. Let's put. Let's mix. But first, I put this here first. Let's mix more. Mix. OMG. His name is Ethan. It's so stinky. And next is foam. Let's mix. This was soap only green. And here's the slime. This is mine. This is for Ethan. She said you don't want to mix slime. Okay, you don't mix slime. Wow, it's so cool.